Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. It is a fast and easy tutorial. The first step you have to do is to open a browser of your own liking in your desktop. In my case, I am to use Chrome browser. Navigate to Chrome icon and click on it to open. Once it has opened, type Yahoo on the Google search bar or on the URL bar at the top and press enter. Next, click on the first link that says Yahoo Mail. The Yahoo website page will open, then enter your login details, which include email and password. If you do not have an account, head to the Create Account option and fill in the details as required. Once you are now logged in, click on the three dots at the top right of your screen upright, then go down and select the gear icon at the top and click on it. On the left side, select the Writing Email option. Scroll down and underneath the default rich text font, click the drop-down and you will see options such as Tiny, Small, Medium, Large, X Large, and Huge. Choose the option that you prefer. And that's it. This is how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.